This is a used 2007 Infiniti M35. It's powered by rear-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include a power sunroof, electric trunk, leather seats, Bluetooth connectivity, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, memory seats, auto-dimming mirrors, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.